What's up guys, welcome to Phone Tech. Today I'm gonna compare Samsung smartphones, Samsung Galaxy A20 and Samsung Galaxy A30. Let's see. Let's talk about the rear camera. Both smartphone has a dual rear camera and A20 has a 13 megapixel plus 5 megapixel and A30 has a 16 megapixel plus 5 megapixel. Let's see the display. A20 and A30 has the same display, 6.4 inch HD plus Super AMOLED. Next, selfie camera. A20 has a 8 megapixel and A30 has a 16 megapixel selfie camera. Next, RAM and storage. A20 comes with a 3GB RAM and 32GB storage, and A30 comes with a two version, 3 and 4GB RAM and 32 and 64GB storage. Now I'm going to talk about the performance. A20 has a 1.6 GHz octa-core processor and A30 has a 1.8 GHz octa-core processor. And talk about the chipset. A20 has a Exynos 7884 chipset and A30 has a Exynos 7904 chipset. Now give a look on some other specification. Both smartphone comes with the Android 9.0 and both smartphone has a dual SIM option. Let's talk about the GPU. Both smartphone has a Mali G71 MP2 GPU and A20 and A30 comes with a fingerprint sensor on the back. And talk about the battery. Both smartphone has a 4000 mAh battery, but A30 has a fast battery charging option. And talk about the price. A20 average price is 12,500 in Indian rupees and 180 in US dollar, and A30 average price is 16,990 in Indian rupees and 240 in US dollar. Thank you guys for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for new videos update.